For this week's reading process forum, I chose the poem Pied Beauty by Gerard Manley Hopkins. It's a shorter poem. It's partially why I enjoyed it so much. It's straight and to the point, yet it holds a pretty good message. And it's about the beauty of creation, specifically the creation that is speckled, spotted, dappled, or of two colors, pied. Pied means of two colors. And it was pretty easy to go through and kind of dissect it. It just talks about how things like trout and finches and cows uh, are all beautiful because of their, unique patterns and such. Uh, the part that I probably enjoyed the most was the first line of the second stanza, in addition to the fourth line of the second stanza. All things counter, original, spare, strange, and he fathers forth whose beauty is past change. Um, I think the reason I enjoyed those lines so much was because it was just a reminder of, everything is original. There aren't two of the same thing, especially when it comes to these things that are, patterned. No pattern is the same. And I think that holds true for, us as human beings as well. There's no human being who's like you or me. Um, and like that fourth line, he fathers forth whose beauty is past change. I enjoyed that because um, God continues to, be our Father no matter what, you know. Our beauty is past change. We can't be changed. We're beautiful no matter what. And I think this poem was just a good reminder for me, at least, that no matter how I may, think I look or act or whatever it is, I'm still, beautiful in God's eyes. And sometimes you need that little pick me up, if self-esteem is low or whatnot. But yeah, it was a shorter poem, like I had said, and got to the point, but it was an important point ultimately.